Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A14 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can hide show battery percentage in the status bar of our phone Samsung Galaxy A14. See here, this is status bar, and here as of now 77% battery is showing. Okay, so that percentage 77 is showing now. If you want to hide it, yes, you can do it. What you have to do is just swipe down and again swipe down and click on this three vertical dots and click on status bar, and here just to turn off show battery percentage. So battery percentage will not be showing now. Okay, see here, it is hidden now. If you want to display battery percentage, you have to keep this button turned on. Okay, now 77% is showing. Okay, so in this way you can easily hide or show battery percentage in your phone Samsung Galaxy A14. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.